Hello food lovers! Today we're diving into a dish that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Quinoa Stuffed Bell Peppers. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. These vibrant peppers are packed with flavor and goodness. Quinoa, a superfood, provides a nutty base. Colorful veggies add sweetness and crunch. And the best part? You can customize the filling to your liking. Get creative with your favorite veggies and spices. This recipe is perfect for a hearty weeknight meal or a crowd-pleasing dish. So, let's get started. Before we start cooking, let's gather our colorful cast of ingredients. Bell peppers. Choose a mix of colors like red, yellow, and orange for a vibrant dish. Quinoa. This superfood is the star of our filling. Vegetables, onions, garlic, zucchini, and corn are just a few delicious options. Spices. Experiment with cumin, paprika, chili powder, or your personal favorites. Vegetable broth. This adds flavor and moisture to our quinoa. Dairy-free cheese, optional, for a final touch of cheesy goodness. Once you've got everything, let's move on to the fun part. Cooking. First things first, we need to cook the quinoa. Rinse it under cold water to remove any bitterness. Then add it to a pot with vegetable broth. Double the liquid to quinoa ratio. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat, cover and simmer for about 15 minutes. Fluff it with a fork and set it aside. While the quinoa is working its magic, let's prepare the peppers. Slice them in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds and membranes. Now, for the filling, saute chopped onions and garlic in olive oil until softened. Add your chopped veggies and spices, cooking until tender. Baking and final touches. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, sautéed vegetables, and any additional seasonings you fancy. Spoon this delicious mixture generously into the hollowed-out bell peppers. Arrange them snugly in a baking dish. Pop them in the oven for about 30 minutes or until the peppers are tender and the filling is heated through. For the final touch, sprinkle some dairy-free cheese on top during the last few minutes of baking. Quenching your thirst. Every great meal deserves equally fantastic drinks. Here's a mix of alcoholic and non-alcoholic options, perfect for your stuffed pepper feast. Combine cranberry juice, ginger ale, and a squeeze of lime for a refreshing zing. Steep hibiscus tea bags in hot water, cool, and serve over ice with a splash of agave. Mix tequila, grapefruit soda, and a squeeze of lime. Salt the rim for extra flair. Combine red wine, chopped fruit like oranges and apples, brandy, and a splash of orange juice. No matter your preference, these drinks will perfectly complement your delicious stuffed peppers. Stay connected. There you have it, a delicious and healthy meal that's sure to impress. Now it's your turn to get cooking. Share your culinary masterpieces with us. Snap a picture of your creations, tell us about your favorite drink pairings, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty adventures. We love hearing from you.